ideal scenario for her would be something like a full mouth rehab. Full mouth rehabilitation. Which is सारे 28 teeth पे we will put veneers and we put occlusal stamps, right? The 3 crowns which she already has will be covered by us. We'll remove it, we'll just change the crowns, like increase the height a little bit. Because what I also want to do for mom is raise her height. Abhi kya hua, because of all the grinding and the attrition of the teeth and the loss of enamel that is there, the vertical height of her face has come down. Not very significantly, which is the surprising part, but it has, right? So even if we do a bite raise of say about 2 millimeters, the biggest advantage that we get is that these lower teeth, where everything is worn off, right? The front, the back, everything from here to here is completely worn off, right? We don't have to touch those teeth at all, or those surfaces of the teeth at all, while preparing them for our rehabilitation. At the end of it, the prosthetic will bond to the tooth structure. It will protect the tooth structure from further damage. Of course, the functionality becomes better, and aesthetics is an added advantage. वो तो ठीक हो ही जाएगी.